Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to talk to you about what is a contact in Salesforce. So let's just start from the beginning. When you contact someone, you are going to have a lead. Thanks to this lead, you will have an account that's like a company, an organization, and then you are going to have a contact. Contact is a specific person that you can create in Salesforce. So you got a contact, which you can contact, etc. When I go here, and I'm going to show you straight away, when you click here on contacts, you are going to see plenty of contacts, but also you are going to see account name, which is here accounts. So the name of the companies. So contact is mainly one person in the organization that you want to contact. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.